Good day, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the daily video forecast discussion for Tuesday, May 7th, 2013. Not such a bad looking Tuesday morning out there for you. Some areas still in the clouds and fog, especially across southeastern Pennsylvania. Central and southern New Jersey have quite a bit of cloud cover as well. There's a lot of breaks. In fact, parts of northern New Jersey are generally clear, partly cloudy in the city and northeastern New Jersey, and still some low clouds and some fog being reported here on Long Island. A lot more clearing to the north, as you can expect, over the Hudson Valley and interior Connecticut. And most of the ceilings of the stratus and fog will be burning off very quickly this morning across interior sections as the sea breeze develops even along the coast and pushes inland. So these areas that are clear now will probably continue so for most of the day. And clouds that are across central and southern New Jersey will also break, but it's going to take a little longer for some of the lower clouds and fog to burn off as it did yesterday, where some areas in central and southern New Jersey didn't really break out of the clouds at all. Temperatures this morning are again uniform for where they should be for this time of the year. They're in the upper 40s in the Hudson Valley to right around the low and mid 50s just about everywhere else. And as the sun's coming up this morning, we can see the cloud deck on the visible satellite imagery here. The cloud deck is mostly stratus, which is evecting in from off the ocean. This is before sunrise and at sunrise this morning. These puffier clouds here indicating some showers and even some thunder across the parts of the Delmarva and Virginia region. Some of this rainfall will be getting in here in scattered showers late tonight into tomorrow morning. In fact, tomorrow morning around here could be quite showery indeed. But then we'll see breaks in the clouds tomorrow too. And as far as this morning, we're going to see these clouds begin to erode, and again, in areas where the fog is a little bit denser, and especially right along the immediate coast, it's going to take quite a while for the clouds to burn off. Water vapor loop this morning shows our upper level low now, getting ready to exit or drift very slowly here across Georgia and the Carolinas. And as this does so, a plume of moisture coming in from off the tropical Atlantic, the 850 millibar southeasterly wind and easterly wind, bringing in some moisture here. We see some convection here across interior sections of Virginia and parts of the lower Delmarva region. And meanwhile, high pressure is well off the mid-Atlantic and northern New England coast states right now, so we'll be in between air masses today. But today is still going to be a nice day with the sea breeze developing in the afternoon and pushing inland. Temperatures in the lower 70s inland, probably remaining in the lower 60s along the immediate coast. And again, some areas probably staying that way due to the cloud cover and how long it takes for it to burn off. Aviational forecast this morning are going to find visibilities better than 6 miles in many locations by after sunrise this morning. In fact, they already are in many locations where the sun is already coming up. Scattered clouds at about 1,500 feet this morning, a light northeast wind at about 6 knots, and the winds will continue from the east to southeast actually, with visibilities improving, and a few clouds at 2,500, scattered clouds at 1,300 feet, or 13,000 feet rather. And then from late this evening through the early overnight hours, southeast winds at about 7 knots. A few clouds rolling in, that's the stratus at 800 feet. Scattered clouds 2,500 feet, and broken clouds at about 10,000 feet. So tonight is going to be cloudy. Tomorrow also in the morning hours it's going to be cloudy. We'll have 4 miles in light rain and mist tomorrow morning after midnight just before sunrise, with a broken sky at 800 feet and overcast at 1,500 feet. So some fog and rain tomorrow morning across the region. Expect that. And then for early to late morning tomorrow, 3 nautical miles in light rain and mist, overcast skies, ceilings at about 800 feet. And here's our showers across the southern portions of Delmarva this morning. Some of these have embedded thunder in them, so they're producing some light to moderate amounts of rainfall here that will remain to the south today. Small craft advisories for the New Jersey coast are in effect for today through late Wednesday night. East winds today at 10 to 15 knots, seas 3 to 5 feet. And then for tomorrow morning, areas of fog, patchy drizzle this morning, a slight chance of showers late this morning and early afternoon across central and southern portions, but that's away from our region. And then tonight, east winds at 10 to 15 knots, gust up to 20. Wednesday, east winds 4 to 7 foot seas, showers with a chance of a thunderstorm in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of a thunderstorm in the afternoon. As we mentioned, Then during the day on Thursday, southeast winds at 5 to 10 knots, seas about 4 to 5 feet. There's a chance of showers with visibilities 1 to 3 miles in those showers. Thursday night, a southwest wind takes over, 5 to 10 knots, seas 3 to 4 feet. Chance of showers in the evening. And then on Friday, west winds as the warm front moves to our north. Drier air and weak high pressure settles into the region. Nice day on Friday, too. Seas 3 to 4 feet. There is a chance of showers through the night, but it's limited. And then on Saturday, better chances of showers with southerly winds increasing to 15 to 20 knots and seas 3 to 4 feet. Now, we do also have some fog advisories across interior portions of Long Island Sound, the Peconic and Gardeniers Bays and South Shore Bays for visibilities 1 nautical mile or less, and we showed you that on the observational chart this morning, and that's in effect until about noon today. So our futurecast going forward, starting out with today, we see the low clouds here across central southern New Jersey, the Delmarva, also portions of rain here just to the south over central and southern Delmarva region back through the Virginias. If we start this out, clouds are going to increase across the region, but today mostly sunny skies. Showers really get in here late tonight and tomorrow morning, about a half of an inch to an inch with any downpours early tomorrow morning. And then look at this, some breaks in the clouds tomorrow. And again, tomorrow night the fog comes back in, more showers across the region. Thursday could feature a few more showers too, but Friday looks dry at this point. Saturday of this weekend looks wet indeed. And the NAMWAR forecast now going ahead with today. We find mid to upper level cloud cover, some fog here across central and southern New Jersey as we go through the day today. Lots of sunshine across the Hudson Valley. Also, northeastern New Jersey, most of New Jersey, in fact, down to Philadelphia, should really begin to break out in a lot of sunshine. Temperatures away from the coast getting into the low 70s. And then as we get into around a late afternoon where the sea breeze really develops along the coast and spreads inland, temperatures will cool off into the 60s, probably remaining in the 60s as well, right along the immediate coast. Here comes our first shot of rain, some showers and fog building into along the coastal regions, and some of that rain that's over the Delmarva gets in here proper during late tonight and tomorrow morning. We could have some patchy fog and drizzle, especially out on central and eastern Long Island, right along the immediate New Jersey coast early tomorrow morning. Even as far as late tonight, we could see some light rain breaking out across southern New Jersey as well. As we go through the morning hours, clouds and fog increase across the region, but as the showers come in, the fog should scour out a little bit. It's just low clouds and overcast conditions and an onshore flow, and then some rain gets in here, maybe a low top thunderstorm tomorrow morning. So our best chances of precipitation, about a half of an inch to an inch of rain, and some of the locally heavier amounts of rainfall on Wednesday morning through early Wednesday afternoon as that first batch of rain moves over and out across the region. And it should be raining pretty much across most of the region in scattered showers and even a low top thunderstorm tomorrow morning through early tomorrow afternoon. Then look at this. The clouds break up a little bit in the afternoon. Temperatures warm back into the lower 70s again, upper 60s along the coast. And then another spoke as that upper low really starts to drift northeast across and over the forecast region of the Delmarva on Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. It should be out of here by early Friday, but there could be some more showers around here during the day on Thursday with that last spoke and the actual upper low and surface low moving off the coast. So Thursday morning looks like it's going to cloud over again, and there will be some scattered showers about the area too, but probably not as widespread, but and likely again a half of an inch to under at this point for Thursday morning. And then really just Friday is going to be such a beautiful day around here. And the GFS forecast going into motion here from, well, it's the GFS. Here's our upper level low and surface low here, drifting slowly north and meandering here along the mid-Atlantic coast states. Through Wednesday, it finally opens up and begins to weaken and lift across the region, but showers and embedded low-top thunderstorms across the region getting out of here on Thursday afternoon. But look, we have another mid-level disturbance crossing the region and a strong cold front coming through on Saturday, so showers and thunderstorms likely Saturday and Saturday night. Things look a little bit better. I want to stop this here and see if we can just go back here. Let's go back to Saturday. Here's our showers and thunderstorms exiting in the morning. A few more disturbances here developing across the mid-Atlantic coast states as that front makes its way through. So Saturday night into early Sunday, we could have more showers and perhaps a low-top thunderstorm around the region, increasing the rainfall potential that we're still 5 inches away from normal rainfall across northern New Jersey. and the lower Hudson Valley region for this time of the year, actually since the beginning of the year. As the front moves through and one wave moves off the mid-Atlantic coast states, skies will begin to break for clearing, at least during the day on Sunday, as a weak area of high pressure builds in across the region, and that means that clearing weather is on the way. But notice how the upper low here over southeastern Canada, this is an upper level trough, so the air mass is going to be cooler on Sunday, but still it's going to be pleasurable with temperatures in the 60s, with partly sunny skies breaking out during most of the day on Sunday. Sunday night looks dry too. Monday looks nice. Still a cold pool here exiting off of southeastern New England and the southeastern Canada and the northern New England coast states as high pressure builds in across uh, pretty much the Ohio, Tennessee, and Mississippi Valley areas. And this would be during the Monday night through Tuesday period. And eventually, some of that warm weather is going to build back into the region with this return flow, southwesterly winds, fair weather, and warmer temperatures for Tuesday night, Wednesday, and early Thursday. Now, notice we do have another front approaching here from the northwest during the region during the Wednesday night to early Thursday time frame, and that disturbance, along with a mid-level disturbance here, will be moving into the region late next week, with a surface wave developing somewhere along the northern New England coast, perhaps over the New York, New Jersey Bight area. And rainfall is likely for next Thursday night and Friday as this low moves off the coast. So that's going to do it for today. You enjoy this beautiful Tuesday, and we'll be back bright and early with you on Wednesday. For Garden State Weather, I'm forecaster Robert Smith.